Hey Caleb, hey Dustin, it's Josh Bepsel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you could start doing today to bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're most likely sitting there asking yourself, Josh, why are you making this video for us? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy to run their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they get for having help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like what you're doing, Josh, can you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you liked what you heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business. Shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition, not wasting more of your time. And the first thing I want to talk about is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. Google really likes to see at least 1,500 words on your page, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they look and crawl through content looking for these keywords. But the more content you have, the more they crawl. So Josh, what are these keywords you're talking of? So I go over here to my keywords everywhere tool. It costs about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will last you at least a couple of months. But it shows me that you're not ranking for any keywords on your website. And I go over here to Ocala Heating and Air, which is your competition, and go to their keywords everywhere. All right, Ocala Heating and Air, rank number 1, 320. Air conditioning repair Ocala, rank number 2, 210. Air conditioning Ocala, Florida, rank number 150, etc. So you can see this volume right here. These are all people searching these keywords into Google looking for these heating and air services that could be automatically directed towards Ocala's heating and air website just because they're ranked number 1 on a lot of these keywords. All right, they're your competition because when we go over to this main page of Google and we type in AC Companies Ocala, Florida, they're the first organic website. Yelp and Angie, those are directory websites. Those are easy to beat. So Ocala Heating and Air, therefore, is your competition. The second thing I want to go over is how to get ranked in this map pack here, because we see the ads, and ads are good, okay? But research shows they're only semi-effective. It could become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. But this map pack, how you get scaled in here, is for the second thing I want to talk about, which is citations. So citations is anything with the NAP, name, address, phone number. And I believe I found you on the 4th page of the Google map pack when searching AC Companies Ocala, Florida, which isn't bad. But we don't want you just on the first page. We want you in the top 3. So when people are searching for these services in your area, you're already on their mind. All right. The third thing I want to talk about was backlinks and link juice. And I go over here to my tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool I use every single day because, well, I'm a digital marketer, but basically it shows you referring domains, the backlinks, the integrity of your website, the drive of it. Even shows organic keywords, just like the Keywords Everywhere tool as well. But backlinks is so important when you're building your website and what you feed into it. And this link juice and backlinks, it works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have, let's say LinkedIn again, LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you because, well, let's be honest, you don't sling pizzas for a living, you sling HVAC installations for a living, all right? But anyways, when in my Ahrefs tool, you come up with 6 referring domains of 15 backlinks. Your competition over here, Ocala Heating and Air, they come up with 45 referring domains of 280 backlinks. Very beatable with time. All right. So I just want to wrap this up by going over the 3 things we talked about. One was content. Add more content, at least 1,500 words on your page. Okay. Get those robots crawling through your content, looking for those keywords that you need to implement. Citations was the second thing, and that's how you scale through this map pack. You really want to have about 200 to 300 citations to beat your competition out by a landslide. And the third thing was link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you give me a call at 904-383-8479. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. Thank you, and have a great day.